In this video, I will show you how to buy a GoDaddy domain and then connect it to your Shopify store. To do this, first just go to godaddy.com and then here simply type the domain you want to buy. For example, I'll just do danimakestutorials, and if you just search for the front of the domain, then it will show you available options. For example, .com is available. I can also go with any of these other ones. Now I'm not actually going to use it, so I'll just get a really cheap one. For example, I'll go with the danimakestutorials.live one. So simply click on add to cart, then it will be adding the domain to your cart. Now from there, scroll back up, go to your cart in the top right, and then select the time period you want it for. For example, I'll just do it for 1 year. So in this case, the subtotal is just $1.99. From there, click on continue to cart. And then if you don't have an account yet, simply go to sign up. Now you can buy some add-ons if you want, or you can just click continue to cart. Now from there, just go to checkout. And then after you do that, it will say the domain is yours. From there, click continue. Now what you can do is to say what the domain is for, but this doesn't really matter, just continue through these steps. Now from there, they will try to upsell you with some additional tools, just click not now. Then they will also try to get you to build a store in GoDaddy, just again click not now. Keep on clicking not now until it just takes you to your dashboard. You can see they have a lot of upsells. Then again not now. Now after doing that, you will see your GoDaddy dashboard. Now what we want to go and do is open up Shopify. Then go to settings in the bottom left, and here you want to go over to domains right there. Now from within domain, click on connect existing domain, and here type in the domain you just bought on GoDaddy. So for me, for example, danimakestutorials.live. From there, click next. Then after doing that, you will see this. So you need to add some DNS records. So you need to add a record and a CNAME. For now, simply going to copy this section right here. So click on copy, and then remember that you need to create an A record with the @ Then open up GoDaddy again and go to your domain right here. Then within your domain, you want to click DNS. And then here first go and remove the DNS records that it created already. So you don't need these, so you can just select all of them right here. But some of them you cannot delete, so these ones I cannot delete. So just keep those and delete the ones you can delete. And after you do that, click add new record. Then for the type, select an A record, and then for the name it's @ and value, just paste in what you added, and then click save. After doing that, add a new record. For this one, it's going to be a CNAME, and you can see it's www as the name, and then the domain it leads to shops.myshopify.com. So first for the name, type in www, and then here shops.myshopify.com, and click save. So now after you add those two records, so your A record and your CNAME, go back to Shopify and click I updated the DNS records. Now this can take a little bit of time, so it will check every 10 or so seconds, so just wait for the checks to complete. And this can take a few minutes, even 20 minutes for example. Just wait for this to finish up until it completes the checking. So for me it took about 10 minutes, and then it will move on to the next section. So it now says DNS records are pointing to Shopify. The domain is live in 2 regions globally, so now it's just going to connect in all regions. So again, wait for this to finish up. This can take another 5 minutes. So just gonna wait for this to all finish up, but as long as the DNS records are pointing to Shopify, then you did it correctly. From there, what you can now do is here click on change domain type. So currently, if you look right here, the domain is still .myshopify.com, and if you visit your store, it will still say that domain right there. If you want it to not only redirect to your .myshopify.com domain, but be your normal domain, so the GoDaddy domain, simply click change domain type right here and use it as your primary domain, so it will be displayed in the address bar when visitors are browsing your online store. Then click change domain type, and now here you also see this changes to danimakestutorials.live. So now you know how to buy a GoDaddy domain and connect it to Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.